Welcome everybody to the seasonal diet, eating what our ancestors ate when they ate it, like we were evolved to do. Today we are making fårikål. I don't know what the hell that's called in English. It's lamb and cabbage, okay? But the point is, it's using all in-season ingredients. These are the exact things that you would find in the human diet for thousands of years that would have been in season and available at this time of year. Traditional Norwegian dish and one of my favorites, so let's get started. And the thing that I love about this so much is you have so little ingredients you need. It's lamb, preferably the shoulder, but today I'm using lamb chops and some lamb steak. You need cabbage, and you need salt and pepper. That's it. If you want to give it a little bit of extra flavor and heartiness, you can add some flour. So first, heat the butter in the pan, because that gives it a little extra flavor. Then it's time to stick the lamb in. Now just brown it. We're not trying to cook it all the way through. We're just trying to fry the edges to get the moisture and keep it in there. Then it's time to transfer it over to the pot. And then you're going to stack this in layers, okay? First goes the lamb, then goes the cabbage, then goes the peppercorns. Don't use ground pepper, you gotta use the peppercorns. This is what makes it taste the best. And you can eat these at the end, I think it's really delicious. And other than that, just some salt and a little bit of flour. And guys, when I make cooking videos, I really don't care about the measurements, it's not my style. If it's gonna be pastries and cakes and things like that, you have to be pretty specific with the measurements, but no need to be a wuss about it. Just shove it all in there and eyeball it. You don't need measuring cups and all that shit. And that's it, guys. Just keep putting it up in layers like this. Stack it up a few layers, make it a small portion or a big portion for 20 people. That's all. Look how easy it is. Other than that, all you have to do is wait. You put it on slow heat for a couple hours. The longer the better. If you can let this cooking all day, it's just going to be better. If you'd like to, you can put a little bit of water in there. It's not necessary, but if you have a really big pot, it might be a good idea. But the cabbage is going to shrink down, and there's a lot of water in that anyway, so there's going to be a lot of space in there, so no need for making it a soup. It's supposed to be a stew. And that's it. Let it slow cook for at least 2 hours, and then it's ready to eat. Now, in tradition in Norway, it's normal to have some potatoes with it, but you know, potatoes are not native to Northern Europe at all, so we say fuck that shit and just eat it without the potatoes. So that's it. 5 ingredients if you want to add the flour, and they are all native to the north of Europe, very easily accessible for thousands and thousands of years, and in season right about now. So perfect opportunity to take advantage of the seasonal diet, not only for a traditional standpoint, but also from a spiritual standpoint, because this recipe has actually been a part of many of the fall harvest rituals for as long as we have records. So that's all I have to say for today. Hope you enjoyed. Let us know if you have any good results. Made it yourself? Did you like it? Have you tried it before? That's all for today.